Developer open their IDE, type a doc string and generate a working function in a minute, neither reading the documentation nor watching tutorial. It feels productive and ridiculously fast till you realize some other developer doing something completely different. They have integrated background agents to fetch their reproductive content, run local test suites, and draft full requests. And that when it hits you, we are not just competing against AI. We are competing against other developers who have access to the exact same models we do, which lead to the question that getting harder to answer. If everyone has access to the exact same intelligence, what actually give us an engineer an edge anymore? Look at the tech Twitter or YouTube right now. The advice seems simple. Automate everything, use more agent and generate more code. Assumption is straightforward. More generated code equal high output and high output means you win, right? It sounds logical on paper, except when researchers actually measure real engineering. A randomized trial conducted by MITR tracked experienced open source developer working on production repos they maintained for years. Before the trial, the engineer estimated that AI coding assistant would make them roughly 24% faster. And the actual measured result, they were 19% slower. And what's even crazier is that even after study ended, those same engineers still believed the AI had saved them time. When I first started integrating AI tool into my own workflow, my line of thinking was simple. If I generate code faster, I can ship more features. And for a weeks, it felt like a massive advantage. But over time, a strange reality set in. You are not evaluated against how fast you used to work 2 years ago. You are being evaluated against what is now expected. Tasks that used to get 2-day estimate are now expected by the end of the afternoon. Scope expands because the AI can handle the implementation. Instead of feeling ahead, you realize the baseline move under your feet. When any developer can prompt a model to split out working API endpoint or regress pattern, knowing the syntax is not competing edge anymore. Having access to the API key is not edge anymore. Everyone has it. The real advantage is not producing more. It's knowing system boundaries, knowing what not to build, and having deep enough fundamental to read 200 of line of generated output and immediately spot the architectural flow that everyone else missed. So where does that actually leave us? If we are honest, most developers are not really afraid of AI replacing software engineering overnight. What keeps us up at night is something much quieter. It's the feeling of working as hard as you can, only to realize that version of you that was considered a great engineer 2 years ago, it's just a bare minimum today. Not because your skills got worse, but because the world got faster while you were working. AI didn't make bad engineer into senior architect. It just made average syntax writing one thing nobody can afford to build a career on anymore. So the real question is not whether you are using the newest IDE plugin or agent workflow. The real question is when the tool hand you a solution, can you spot the flow in a minute? Do you actually understand the architecture under the hood? If you turn off the AI tool tomorrow, could you still build and debug system yourself? Because somewhere right now, another developer is sitting at their terminal with access to the exact same model you have. The difference is not the software installed on their machine, whether they are using AI as a crunch to avoid understanding the stack or as a leverage tool to think deeper. That's the actual race we are in. Not humans versus machines. It's just you versus your ability to evaluate, verify, and architect system better than the model can for you.